That's just my baby dog. 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 That's just my baby dog.
Sit.
So we have 5 categories. Plus we have the prettiest girls and the most handsome boys. So those categories, as you can tell, you probably saw the waggiest tail, the lickiest liquor. So have fun. Enjoy the day. Around the ring. And then when the judges are done judging, everybody can sit down and we'll have
our first category is the lickiest liquor category. If your dog's that, he's going to walk around. You let him know if you want your dog in that category.
D.O.G. is my BFF. D.O.G. is my BFF. Clap your hands if you love your dog. Stomp your feet if you love your dog. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, say yahoo if you love your dog. Spin around if you love your dog. Go crazy if you love your dog. Spin around, go crazy, say yahoo if you love your dog. D.O.G. is my BFF.
You're doing it first.
Luna in second place. Roman, second place. Roman is second place. And first place is Lexi.
Always down for a ride is my dog. Ready, set, bark. Smile big if you love your dog. Dance a jig if you love your dog. Smile big, dance a jig. Do-si-do if you love your dog.
Alright, waggiest tail. Your dog is a waggiest tail. Hannah the dog is first place.
Alright,
Congratulations.
congratulations. He's a waggy dog. There you go. Wag, wag. Wag, 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 wag.
we have second place. Right here is Rex.
Rex is second place. He was getting bored standing up there. The big thing is he had to get out here in the circle so he can visit with everybody. You know, it's funny though, this golden.
This is Jack.
Milo?
Oh, he smells the key. I think it's off the key.
Oh, okay. Is this the judging stage? Here we go. He's very quiet. Because he stole.
Yeah, he stole it.
We have great entries in this category.
Okay.
A lot of great choices.
Lindsay, I'd like you to go stand over there. And then third,
Trying to be biased.
behind the sun.
I saw the $100 donation.
Can you just stay there?
Sure.
Stay there. Sorry. What's his name?
Cody. Second place. Texas. Number 1. First place.
Ready? Doesn't take much.
Shiny objects and
And then we have an opal here in second.
Second place for Opal. Heidi.
It's Heidi, first place. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
DOG is my BFF. DOG is my BFF. Clap your hands if you love your dog. Stomp your feet if you love your dog. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, say yahoo if you love your dog. Spin around if you love your dog. Go crazy if you love your dog. Spin around, go crazy, say yahoo if you love your dog. DOG is my BFF. DOG is my BFF. All I wanna do is pet a pet because DOG is my BFF. Always by my side is my dog. Always down for a ride is my dog. Ready, set, bark. Smile big if you love your dog. Dance a jig if you love your dog. Smile big, dance a jig, do-si-do if you love your dog.